This is room 506 at the Quality Inn in Houghton, Michigan. So here's the bathroom. We've got a small sink here, some extra towels, toilet, shower, well, bathtub actually. And here's our shower head there. There is a heat lamp in the ceiling here and another light. Nope, that's the fan. And a hair dryer here on the wall and Kleenexes in the wall there. Coming back out, this is an adjoining room. We do not have the other room, but you could. Closet right here with an ironing board and a safe. Then a bench, which I have my bag on. The TV area, which also has a microwave and a refrigerator. The desk area with a phone, some outlets at the lamp. Then an awesome view of the lift span bridge as well as a little bit of Hancock over here. This is a pull-out sofa, coffee table, and we've got our king bed here. On the side of the bed, this lamp does have a couple outlets. Then on this side, this lamp has only one outlet because the alarm clock's taking the other, but that's all right. Doesn't look like there's a top sheet. It's like an all-in-one, duvet top sheet thing. And then we've got a second sink out here, which cool. We can get ready at the same time. And a coffee service, as well as some extra towels down here. And a nice bucket. Plus a really big mirror that is actually well lit. So this is our room here, 506 at the Quality Inn in Houghton, Michigan. So this is the pool and spa area. The pool does go to 5 feet 6 inches and the spa temp is 103 degrees and is legitly 103 degrees. And this is the sauna. So there is a shower outside so you can cool off in between innings. Or I guess it is an inning if you cool off. And then the sauna has 2 levels of bench here and rocks that you can throw some water on. Plus it has windows so you can see the pool area. Also, it's 10 o'clock at night and still light outside, so that's amazing. The pool area also has some tables, chairs, some like sun chairs, and windows looking over Sheldon Avenue. And you can even see the lift span bridge from the pool area. And like I said, it's 10 o'clock at night, so it's awesome that it's so light.